Hi, my name is Pam and I'm in Mar Vista, California. I chose Green Renovation Group to do the renovation of my kitchen. When it came time to decide who to hire to do the kitchen, I went on Angie's list. I asked friends for recommendations and no one could give me like a great recommendation except for two. I had many people come out and give me quotes, recommendations, and what they could offer. And Green Renovation Group was the one who I chose because David especially was very diligent. He, explained the process. He went through everything with me and stuck with me because I was very anxious about having this done and who to choose, because the person who I originally chose just never really responded or got back to me. So, and that was somebody who had done some other work for me before. So I went ahead and chose David and Green Renovation, and I am so happy that I did. They did a wonderful job with the kitchen, as you can see. I had a very outdated kitchen, but I had put it off getting this renovation done. And then as I was doing the renovation, I started adding a few more things. I redid the floors in my bedroom and another bedroom, and then I decided to do the insulation in the attic. One of the other things that I hated in my kitchen before was my old door, so I had that replaced and redone. So in addition to trying to decide who to go with, one of the things that I had asked David to do is to show me a recent project. And he took me to a condo that they had done the kitchen and other things to, like bathroom and flooring and taking out some items and everything. So they were very pleased with David's work. And they showed me some of the kitchen ideas that they had, which was very small compared to this, but they had nothing but glowing reviews for David as well. So that helped me make the final decision to go ahead and go with him. And then as far as trying to decide what to do with the kitchen, I used to have a peninsula and I really wanted to have an island and to open up the space. So Marina is the designer that helped me figure out the configuration, which we had a basic idea, but the fine details she came up with, she worked really hard with the cabinet person to figure everything out to the point where from the limited time that I was supposed to have with her, she gave me a lot of extra time and did a lot of work to get to where we are now. The process was really seamless. I can't say enough positive things about David because he was always on it. If I had a question, he came immediately. He just answered everything. If I wasn't satisfied with even a little bit of things, he was there. He got the workers to do it. There was little disruption with life with him doing this too, because I was able to have my refrigerator and I just got a microwave. So there was really little disruption. The teams of people that came in were very professional. They worked quickly, they worked well. The inspections were prompt. They went seamlessly, came in. The guy was very impressed with the final project that he had come initially. I'm super happy with the results. I've only shown it to a few people and everybody has been very impressed by the final results, and I really love it. This is just so much fresher and open and more new and freeing to have such a nice open space and a nice place to be. Would I recommend them? I've already recommended David to a friend who hired him to do some work already. Other friends, if they ask me, I have no hesitation to say Marina's design services were well worth it. And then that was included in everything that we did. But then David has been immensely helpful throughout the process.